OneDrive Recycle Bin tutorial. So accidentally deleting spreadsheet, an entire projects folder, or a irreplaceable photo asset right before a deadline feels catastrophic. But in OneDrive, a deleted file isn't gone. It's simply cached in a global safety net. Today, we are exploring the OneDrive Recycle Bin to show you how to recover or permanently purge your files in seconds. Okay, so you guys just open up your web portal for OneDrive. Do not use the application for this. We're talking about the Recycle Bin on the web. And of course, don't forget to log in into your account. That's necessary. Then guys, look at the navigation sidebar on the left here, and you will find the Recycle Bin tab. So just browse the matrix of deleted assets, or you can just use the deleted date filter to sort your files chronologically. Then, in the deleted files, you can just hover your cursor over the file, click on this check mark right here on the left, this bubble, and then you have two ways to go about this. You can either click restore or delete. As you can see, we have two files. So if you want to restore, when you click on this restore button, your file, depending on where you deleted it from, will go to that exact location where it was previously, which is very handy. So say you deleted it from the home page, it's going there. If you delete it from a certain folder, it's going back into that same folder. So I'll just go ahead and click on restore. Okay, it's updating one item. As you can see, it's gone from the recycle bin, not because we've deleted it, but restored it. And then, of course, if you guys want to purge something, let me go back to my files. I'll delete this again, delete, go into my recycle bin again. And if you want to purge it, guys, just press on delete. So this will wipe out all of the data lines instantly and reclaim your space allocations here on OneDrive, freeing up your web space. And the exact second a restored file hits its folder location, it resynchronizes down to all your connected desktop devices as well, and your mobile apps with absolute zero latency. That is it. Maintain your data integrity this way. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.